Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special treat for you. I'm going to show you how to create a magnificent Fondant Princess Tower Cake. It's going to be an enchanting journey, so let's dive right in. Start by covering your cake board with pink fondant. Cut out the excess and smoothen with the fondant smoother. Then trim your cooled 4-inch cake, level and stack them using a bit of buttercream between each layer. Insert a skewer into the center of the stacked cakes. This will provide support for the tower structure. Apply buttercream icing around the cake and smoothen with your scraper. Next, roll out a long piece of white fondant on a clean powdered surface. Panel the fondant around the cake and smoothen it down with your hands and a fondant smoother. Then trim off any excess. Place another 4-inch trimmed cake in a bowl and mash. Mash long enough that it binds as one. Then shape it into a cone. Apply buttercream icing and cover with fondant. Trim the skewer used as support and stack the molded cone over the cake. Roll a sausage of fondant and place around the edge of the cone using a dab of water. Use different colored fondants to create decorative elements such as windows, door, stem, and leaves, and attach these details to the tower using a small amount of water or edible glue. Roll out brown fondant and emboss with your wood grain embosser to cut out the door. With your ivy leaf cutter, cut out leaves to place on the stem. Roll out a log of fondant and make a frame around the window. Surround the base of your cake with blossoms of 3 different colors: white, baby pink, and a deeper shade of pink. I have attached the yellow blossom around the leaves. Lastly, you want to make a knob and put on the door. Then add your princess figurine to complete the looks. I hope you had a great time following along. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.